Hi, good afternoon. Kim, Crisanta, Marvin, and Althea sa inyong mga magulang. Ako ay natutuwa dahil finally ay nakita-kita na tayo. Nakita ninyo inyong Tito Lito Mariano. Ako ay isa ring graduate ng school na ito, ng JMMMHS. Dati ito ay tinatawag na Bintog Barangay High School. At natutuwa kami ng aking mga kasamang founding members of this Project Mount Moriah dahil malapit na kayong magtapos o gumraduate, itong darating na April 14. Pero bago kayo magtapos ay nais namin iwanan kayo ng tinatawag na core values of this non-profit organization. Ito ay tinatawag naming FIRST or FERST. Why core values, bakit tinawag namin core values? These 5 principles are the guiding precept or the core foundation of this non-profit organization. Dito kami tumatayo o ito yung aming gabay upang mapagbuti namin ang aming ministry o yung iniatang sa amin ng Panginoon upang makatulong nga sa mga estudyante na kagaya nyo. Number 1 is faith. Okay? So, it starts with the letter F. Ito nga yung faith. Sabi, honoring God in everything. Bago kayo gumraduate at bago kayo pumunta pa sa nais nyong marating sa koleyo o sa university, ay nais naming ipaalala sa inyo ito. Ito ay napakalaga. That we really have to honor God in everything. We would like you to remember that the main purpose of our existence is God. Without God in our life, will be nothing. Kung wala ang Diyos, kahit tayo maging matagumpay na estudyante, makatapos tayo at marating natin ang ating gusto, pero walang Diyos sa ating buhay, ang bawat bagay ay mababaliwala. Ang ating mga narating o na-accomplish, ito ay mababaliwala. Kaya nga, ang sabi sa isang awitin, in Him we move and live and have our being. Ang lahat ng ating ginagawa dito sa mundo ay dahil sa kabutihan ng Diyos na nagbigay sa atin ng lahat ng ating tinatangkilik. After faith is excellence. Number 2, excellence. Excellence in whatever you do. Somebody wrote, therefore, whether you eat or drink, do everything for the glory of God. Ang lahat ng ating gagawin, lahat na gawin natin ito ng may pagpapapuri o pagpapasalamat sa ating Diyos upang maitanyag siya. Okay? So, it means to say that excellence is everything. Sabi nga, be your 100% self. Kung kayo ay estudyante, be the best student. Kung kayo ay isang anak, be the best son or daughter to your parents. Kung kayo ay kapatid, be the best brother or the best sister for your siblings. Okay? Kung kayo magtatrabaho na, napakalaga ng lahat ninyong gagawin ay with the spirit of excellence. Kahit kayo magsulat, gumawa ng sabi nating proyekto sa eskwelahan, ibigay na niyo yung 100% nyo. Not the 99.9%, but rather the 100%. And that will be your version. The version of your best self. Number 3 is respect. Respect for everyone. And it is considered as the golden rule. So in everything, do to others what you would have them do to you. Sabi nga, hindi lang natin dapat respeto yung mga taong nasa maganda o mataas na katungkulan. Yung sabi natin ng may kaya o mayayaman o tanyag. Kahit mababa ang katungkulan o ang katatayuan niyan sa mundo, sa lipunan, dapat na sila ay ating respeto. We have to respect everyone. For respect begets respect. Kung tayo marunong rumispeto, other people will also respect us. But the best of all things when it comes to respect, learn to respect your parents. Matuto tayong magrespeto lalo na sa ating mga magulang, sa mga nakatatanda sa atin. No? For there is a promise in it. If you learn to respect your parents, okay, you will be blessed and you will have a long life. You will enjoy your life and blessings will follow you all the days of your life. So, I already mentioned faith, the spirit of excellence or excellence, and then I mentioned respect. And fourthly is service, and that is giving back to the community. And this is what we are doing right now, the founding members of this Project Mount Moriah, and that is to give back. Ang magbigay o magbalik ng mga pagpapala na tinanggap namin. Kasi once kami din yung mga naging estudyante at kami nag-aral sa eskwelahan na inyong pagtatapusan. At nais namin makatulong, magbalik, no, sa blessings na aming tinatangkilik ngayon. No? Sabi nga, giving is a sacrificial act that brings blessings and rewards. If you will give back, it will be your way of life. You give and you receive. Sabi, why do we still have to give? For when we give, it starts the process of receiving. And that person or those people who receive blessings from others, they will also have this intention of giving back, of giving in return, or giving back in return for the experience how to receive, how to be blessed. And then lastly, thankfulness. Being grateful in everything. Matuto tayong magpasalamat. So kayo, Kim, Crisanta, Marvin, and Althea, ito yung isang bagay na huwag niyong kakalimutan. Ang maging magpagpasalamat. Ang lumingon sa inyong pinanggalingan. Ang pasalamatan, ang mga guro na nagturo sa inyo, na naghirap upang kayo ay makatapos. Ang inyong mga magulang na kahit kayo ay natutulog na pero nandun pa rin at lumalabas ang bahay upang magtrabaho, upang magkaroon kayo ng pagkain, upang meron kayong maibaon, pandagdag sa inyong baon, o para makatawid kayo, no? Upang magkaroon kayo ng magandang kinabukasan. Sabi nga, rejoice always, pray continually, give thanks in all circumstances, for this is God's will for you in Christ Jesus. Be thankful. Be grateful. Maging mapagpasalamat. Maliit man o malaki, matuto tayo maging appreciative dahil ang lahat ng bagay na ito ay pagpapala mula sa itaas. So again, congratulations. Congratulations to all of you. Kim, Crisanta, Marvin, and Althea. And congratulations also to your parents sa inyong mga magulang na kasama nyo ngayon. Kami ay natutuwa dahil gagraduate na kayo. Okay? And we're also proud of your achievements. Now, the more that we believe that with persistence, hard work, and a solid goal in mind, and that is to finish what you have started, nothing is impossible. Nothing is too difficult. So it is our joy of helping you, of extending our help to all of you. Kim, Crisanta, Marvin, and Althea, and also to your parents. It is our way of telling you that you matter, that you are blessed, that you are all hardworking students, and that your persistence has already brought you this far. So congratulations for being the Project Mount Moriah's first batch of our beneficiaries. We are all so proud of you. Congratulations.